Have you seen this crazy footage from Tianmen Mountain? A Chery Fulwin X3L tried to climb the famous heavenly ladder that's 999 steep with steps, but things went wrong. The SUV didn't make it up and ended up sliding backwards, crashing right through a safety railing. Eyewitnesses caught it all on camera. The car was stuck there for 2 hours, and the whole area was closed to tourists for the event. This wasn't just any joyride. Chery was attempting a massive publicity stunt to show off their new SUV's power and four-wheel drive system on a path so tough. Even specialized off-road vehicles rarely try it. Chery quickly apologized, blaming the accident on a detached safety shackle that tangled with the wheel, causing the slide. They admitted they underestimated the risks and promised to cover all repair costs. Luckily, no one was hurt. What do you think? Was this a publicity stunt gone too far? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.